Does your stainless steel sink look stained, dull, or covered in watermarks? Maybe it's starting to look more like brushed grey than sparkling steel. Don't panic. Today we're going to show you exactly how to clean a stainless steel sink and get it looking like new. The best part? We're using safe, simple ingredients you probably already have at home. My name's Laura and I'm from Expert Home Tips, the first place you should turn if you want to learn about DIY, home management and more. Before we dive into today's tutorial, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on the latest life hacks. We also have a free email newsletter packed with the newest cleaning tips. There's a link to sign up in the description box below. By the end of this video, you'll know the step-by-step method to get stainless steel shiny, spotless and streak-free. And we'll also share our top secret ingredient that takes things to the next level. These tricks don't just work on sinks, you can also use them on stainless steel appliances such as fridges, hobs or extractor fans. So let's get started. You might be wondering, why not just use store-bought stainless steel cleaner? Well, natural cleaning methods have some significant advantages. First of all, they're cheaper. Baking soda and vinegar cost pennies compared to branded sprays. They're also safer. No harsh chemicals, no irritating fumes, and reduced risk when it comes to children and pets. Lastly, they're eco-friendly. Cleaning products often release chemicals that can end up in the waterways, harming marine life. Natural ingredients are much kinder to the environment. Before we show you how easy it is, you just need to know what to avoid when cleaning stainless steel sinks. Get it wrong and you risk damaging the material or being left with smeary marks. Always avoid using harsh scouring pads and strong cleaning products like bleach. We recommend gentle abrasives and natural products for the best finish. If you're opting for a commercial cleaner, always check it's suitable for stainless steel first. Now, onto our trusted method for deep cleaning a stainless steel sink. First, prep the sink. Start by emptying the sink and clearing the draining board. You'll want to get rid of any mess and debris. We're talking bits of food, scraps and crumbs. If you haven't cleaned your sink in quite some time, you might find that there's a bit of a build-up. You'll only end up pushing the dirt around and making the job harder, so make the time to tidy up. It'll make cleaning so much easier. Next, rinse the sink. We suggest using a bowl of warm water mixed with a small amount of washing up liquid to rinse the entire area. Failing that, you can simply run the tap, but adding soap will help degrease and break down any grime. After that, you'll need some baking soda. Now the real cleaning begins. Generously sprinkle baking soda all over your stainless steel sink, including the draining board. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, which means it lifts stains, watermarks and stuck-on grime without scratching the steel. Take a soft sponge or cloth and dampen it with lukewarm water. It's essential not to use a rough scouring pad or steel wool, as this can damage the finish. Gently scrub in circular motions as you wipe the baking soda off. As the baking soda and the water combine, it'll start to form a thick paste. Don't forget to scrub the back side of the sink. You might notice some limescale build-up around the back of the tap, so make sure to give that area a good scrub. Another area that people often forget is the grooves around the plug hole. We like to use an old toothbrush to scrub all the cracks and crevices. Food can get stuck around here, so this will help clear any unwanted odours. For step 4, you need to rinse the sink again. Once you've scrubbed away the grime, give the sink another quick rinse, being sure to clean the baking soda off. Use a wet cloth to make sure there's no residue left behind on hard-to-reach areas like the draining board. Next, try using a lemon for cleaning. Lemon juice or citric acid can be used as a handy cleaner. Cut a lemon in half and use it like a sponge, rubbing the fruit directly on the stainless steel. As you work, you will notice that the juice begins to flow from the lemon. The citric acid in lemon juice helps break down the stains and even has some antibacterial properties. Plus, it leaves a fresh citrus scent that instantly makes your kitchen feel cleaner. Before moving on to the next step, it's time to rinse again. You'll want to be careful not to leave the lemon juice on for too long, as prolonged contact can dull the finish. Use warm water to give the sink another rinse to wash away the lemon juice. You'll want to act fast so the acid doesn't cause any damage. If you want to see the written instruction in even more detail, we've got an article on our website covering everything from this video, plus extra cleaning tips. You'll find a link below. After that, try cleaning with white vinegar. If you're struggling with water stains and limescale, don't panic. We've got a trick up our sleeve for stubborn stains. Mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water and apply to a clean cloth. Use the cloth to clean any stains off the sink. You might need a little elbow grease now. Vinegar is safe in small amounts and brilliant for dissolving limescale, but always rinse thoroughly afterwards. You don't want it to sit on the stainless steel for too long. If you've got limescale build up on your tap, you can use vinegar for that too. Soak a cloth in undiluted white vinegar and wrap it around the tap. Leave it for 10 minutes for light limescale and up to an hour for heavy limescale. Don't leave it any longer than that, or it could dull the finish or even corrode the surface. While the vinegar is doing its magic, this is a great time to check out something fun we do every month. We run exclusive competitions on our website with some fantastic prizes. It only takes a second to enter and you might be one of our lucky winners. We'll leave a link below. Remove the cloth and use an old toothbrush or a sponge to scrub the loosened limescale away. Rinse thoroughly to wash away the vinegar residue and look at the difference. If you're looking for more vinegar cleaning hacks, you'll love our other video. Be sure to head there next. Next, you'll want to dry the sink. Don't neglect this step. To achieve the ultimate shine, use a dry microfiber cloth to buff the surface dry. This is how professional cleaners get that impressive streak-free finish. Lastly, use mineral oil to make it shine. You might be wondering, how do you shine a dull stainless steel sink? Can I make it look new again? Here's a cleaning secret we think everyone should know. Get a clean, dry microfiber cloth and pour on a drop of mineral oil. Work the oil into the sink in the direction of the steel grain to avoid streaks. This step not only makes the surface gleam like new, but also helps repel future water spots. Baby oil works well too. And that's how you clean a stainless steel sink. With these natural cleaning methods, your sink will go from dull and stained to shiny and spotless in just a few steps. You can achieve excellent results in as little as 15 minutes, so what are you waiting for? If you followed along, let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us clean next. And if you have your own sink cleaning tips or favourite cleaning products, we'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more expert home tips. Don't forget to visit our website at experthometips.com for even more kitchen hacks and home cleaning advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more expert home tips.